High winds are a shingle's natural enemy, causing wind uplift and blow-off. At IKO, we've designed a shingle with an enhanced 1 1/4 inch nailing zone which is reinforced with a woven band that better resists wind. We call this ArmourZone. The ArmourZone is positioned on the back of our Dynasty and Nordic shingles. Not only does it improve fastening strength, it's designed for speedier installation. During standard application, fasten each shingle with 4 nails. When properly installed, the ArmourZone's nail holding power helps protect your home, even against high winds. This band is tear resistant, so nails are less likely to pull through the shingle. What's more, both Dynasty and Nordic shingles carry a limited high wind warranty for winds of up to 130 miles per hour or 210 kilometers per hour. Now, if you'd like to experience the amazing grip these shingles have on the roof, you can test our product and your strength during our Dynasty demo. Head over to your nearest IKO distributor to participate and feel the strength of the shingles yourself. For this demo, we fastened 2 shingles to the board, one comparable competitor and one of IKO's performance products. Your task? To grab the base of each shingle and lift up, mimicking the strong force of a high wind. You'll see and feel why ArmourZone should be a home's first line of defense against the elements. But don't just take our word for it.
No.
Can you get it off there?
No.
We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you're looking to learn more from the experts at IKO, please subscribe to our channel for more great content.